What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but the weather hasn't been good. I haven't done anything in the car. It's been sitting here. I had the exhaust installed literally that day, the next day that I got it. So it's been installed for months now. I just haven't uploaded any of the videos. I have the sound clips, not as good as I wanted because I wanted to get in-cab video, drive-by. But I'll go ahead and just release what I got now so that way you guys can hear the difference. So yeah, I'll put that on the screen now. I can honestly say I don't hear a huge difference in the exhaust yet. I know there's a break-in period, so hopefully it will get better. But so far, I mean, it's a little bit louder than my previous one. Oh, by the way, I was actually confused. I actually do have, that's not stock. This is not stock. Exhaust that was installed is not the stock muffler. I thought it was, but it's not. It is Turbo 10s, and this is it right here. Looks like shit, of course, you know, it's been on here probably the whole life of the car. But yeah, this is not the stock muffler axle back exhaust. I thought it was, but it's not. So if anyone wants to buy this, I'll sell it real cheap. They usually go for, from the cat back, it's 800 bucks. You clean up the tips and it should be good. I mean, it sounds good, but it's definitely not the stock one. Now, Ultimate Racing. Let me show you guys the exhaust. So I could have got it welded on there, but I'll do it later. The exhaust itself, it has like the engravings. It's Ultimate Racing. You can't really see because that's blocking it. But overall, the quality of this exhaust is pretty good. Damn, it's dark. The quality's good on the exhaust. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think about it. Hopefully it will open up within the month of break-in period or whatever. So hopefully it gets louder, deeper. I wanted the deeper tone. Not to sound like a 4-cylinder, unfortunately. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. And let me know if I should I wanna probably paint these tips. Paint them black. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks good. Clean. Alright, so I'm making this video so that way you guys can hear what it sounds like from inside the cabin of the car. It's somewhat loud, but I don't think it's terribly loud. Hopefully this gives you a pretty good idea as far as how loud it is, because it's hard to capture it over the camera. And sorry if it's a little shaky. My setup is kind of weird right now, so hopefully I don't give anybody headaches. I mean, I'm used to it. It doesn't bother me. Like cruising right here, it's not drony, but once you let go of the gas, I'm at about 3,000 RPM. If I let go, it's a lot louder. But if you're just cruising, it's not really a pain. I mean, I can listen to my music fine, no problem. Okay, another news, my car, we have a bit of an issue. It's been sitting so long, so the battery has decided to go out on me. So that loud cranking, one of you guys mentioned it in one of my videos about how loud it was when it cranked over. Turns out it was a bad battery. I haven't bought one yet. I'll probably buy one whenever I pull the car out sometime in April next month. It's March 2nd today, so yeah, I have to buy a new battery, replace the battery that I got. But yeah, let me try to start this that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. I know it's the battery for sure. See how hard that was for me to crank over? It shouldn't be that hard. It's a bad battery. It runs fine. I took it out, drove it a couple times. So it hasn't been sitting here completely. It's been in use somewhat. Trust me, I do miss driving it. I had issues with my daily driver, my S10. I'll go ahead and show you that now. So yeah, this truck actually gave out on me now. It's just sitting here. I'm gonna sell it. So what happened was it started burning antifreeze. One of the main reasons why it would burn antifreeze would be because there's a hole in the block, head gasket, something like that. It can't be the head gasket. I just replaced the head. Redid the head, brand new head gasket, so it has to be a hole in the block, crack in the block. Maybe it's a hairline crack, but for the most part this truck is no longer reliable, so went ahead and bought a new one. But yeah, we'll be selling this. I don't know how much, probably $500-600 bucks. Yeah, it's all right, you know, little shit here and there needs to be changed out, but I never put money towards it anymore just because of the fact that I got a new truck. And I wasn't gonna be really investing any more money in this. So I bought a new one. Now this is gonna be a work in progress. It's the basic model, the work truck. I'm gonna drop it, put rims on it, do tints, all kind of shit. So definitely gonna come out with videos on this. It's regular cab, 6-foot bed. No power locks, no power windows. So I'm gonna make videos. I'm gonna convert all that to actual automatic power locks. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Got a pretty decent deal. It's 2012. How many miles? 67,000, something like that. But yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. Love this truck. Only had it for 2-3 days, about 4 days. But yeah, definitely worth it. But first thing I'm gonna do is get tints, 5% all around. So yeah, be on the lookout. I'm gonna show you guys videos of when I fix this all up. So hopefully you guys are interested in this. All this shit's gonna be changed. Looks like a very basic work truck, but it won't stay that way for long. Oh yeah, the truck actually also had this this camper on it. Took that shit right off as soon as I got it. So I will be selling this, probably post it on Craigslist or something, Facebook, something. I don't have Facebook, so have my sister do it. Yeah. So yeah, the weather is definitely clearing up quite a bit. I don't see us having any snow or anything, so I want to keep this in here probably till the end of April. Once April is over, comes around, then I'll pull it out. For the meantime, I'll be driving and working on my new truck. So hopefully you guys are interested in watching videos about that truck too, and installs and all kind of upgrades coming. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Sorry for taking so long on releasing a video, but bear with me. There will be more videos. I'm not done recording. I'll see you guys later.